Over 120,000 tech workers lost their jobs in 2025. And in just the first 3 months of 2026, another 95,000 are already gone. That's more than 200,000 jobs in less than 2 years. And this is not slowing down, it's accelerating. But here's what most people still don't understand. This is not a bad cycle. This is not overhiring being corrected. This is something deeper. Because companies are not just cutting jobs, they are removing the need to hire. Look at the biggest companies. Amazon, over 30,000 jobs cut. That's roughly 8 to 9% of its corporate workforce. Intel, more than 27,000 jobs, over 15% of its employees. Microsoft, over 15,000 jobs, around 7%. And Meta, roughly 10% of its workforce. But here's the part that doesn't make sense. These companies are not shrinking. They are still growing, still investing, still hiring, just not in the same way. And it's not just big tech. Atlassian cut around 1,600 jobs. Snap cut 16% of its workforce. This is happening everywhere, across every layer of the industry. What's changing is not demand. It's how work gets done. A team of 10 can now be replaced by a team of 3 with AI. One engineer can now do the work of an entire department. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most jobs are not creative. They are repetitive, predictable, structured. And those are exactly the jobs AI replaces first. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for a raise. It doesn't quit. And it doesn't need training. It starts at experience level on day 1. So no, AI is not replacing everyone. It's doing something else. It's removing the need to hire most people in the first place. So what do? You stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a system. Learn to use AI, not compete with it. Because in this new economy, the winners are not the smartest. They are the ones who adapt first.